Learn about the alligators, gators, crocodiles, crocs, and crocodilians. What is an alligator? What is a crocodile? What is the difference between an alligator and a crocodile? That's kind of a trick question. Crocodile is a common name for an order, or large group, of animals called crocodilians. Alligators, caimans, and gators are all crocodilians, but so are crocodiles. They spend much of their time in the water. They have great senses, including excellent hearing, eyesight, and sense of smell. They can hold their breath for nearly an hour. You can tell alligators and crocodiles apart mostly by the width of their snout. An alligator will have a wide, broad nose, while a crocodile will usually have a narrow nose. Alligators are generally darker in color as well. Alligators and crocodiles are reptiles. This means they are cold-blooded and have to regulate their body temperature with their surroundings. Alligators do this by cooling off in the shade or the water and warming up in the sun. Alligators and crocodiles, like most reptiles, also lay eggs, and their skin is covered with hard, dry scales. Sometimes alligators are called gators for short, and sometimes crocodiles are called crocs for short. Alligators live near freshwater environments. There are only two kinds of alligators and only two countries in the world where alligators can be found: China and the United States. Alligators in the U.S. are found in the southeast, mostly in Florida and Louisiana. Alligators and crocodiles can grow quite large. The largest recorded alligator is 19 feet long, while the largest crocodile is estimated to be close to 28 feet long. How are they different? One way to tell the difference between alligators and crocodiles is by looking at their snouts. Alligators and their close relative, the caiman, have broad, rounded snouts. Crocodiles have longer, sharper snouts that are shaped like triangles. Crocodiles have a tooth on each side of their lower jaw that sticks up when their mouth is closed. Alligators do not show any teeth when their mouths are closed. The Indo-Pacific, or saltwater, crocodile is one of the biggest reptiles. It is about 23 feet long and weighs more than 2,000 pounds. The American alligator is smaller. It can grow to 20 feet long. Crocodiles live in warm, tropical places. Alligators can live in cooler places as well as warm environments. How are they the same? All crocodilians are reptiles. They are cold-blooded. This means they must warm up by lying in the sun. They cool off by staying in the shade. Crocodilians breathe through lungs. They spend most of their time in water but must come to the surface to breathe. The thick skin of crocodilians is made up of bony plates. These animals have about 30 to 40 teeth in each jaw. The teeth lock together when their jaws are closed, kind of the way a zipper's teeth fit together. Hunting and eating. Alligators and crocodiles float with their bodies almost totally underwater. Only their nostrils, eyes, and part of their backs stick out. They look scary as they silently stalk their prey. Alligators and crocodiles have long, powerful tails. They sometimes swat prey with their tails. They also use their tails to push prey into deeper water, where it is easier to attack. The powerful jaws of crocodilians slam shut on small animals and crush their bones. They eat fish, frogs, snakes, turtles, birds, and mammals. Crocodiles sometimes attack humans. Noisy reptiles. Alligators and crocodiles make all kinds of sounds. They hiss softly. They make fearsome roars and bellows. Males roar and bellow loudest during the mating season. Scientists don't know exactly what the roars mean. Maybe the males are trying to call females. Maybe they are trying to scare other males away. Swimming and walking. Alligators and crocodiles use their tails for swimming. They swish their strong tails back and forth. On land, crocodilians sometimes crawl on their bellies. They can also gallop and walk fast on all four legs, just as many mammals do. Where alligators live. There are two species of alligators, the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. The American alligator lives mainly in swamps, lakes, and bayous in the southeastern United States. American alligators live as far west as the Rio Grande in Texas. The Chinese alligator lives along the Yangtze River in China. Chinese alligators are much smaller than American alligators. They are usually less than 8 feet long. American alligators will attack people. Chinese alligators almost never attack people. During cold winters, alligators bury themselves in mud. There they can hibernate until spring. Where crocodiles live. 4 species of crocodiles live in the Americas. These crocodiles are found in southern Florida, Cuba, and other Caribbean islands, southern Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. The Indo-Pacific crocodile lives along the seacoasts of India, southern China, Malaysia, and Australia. The swamp crocodile is found in the lakes and rivers of India. The Nile crocodile lives in parts of Africa. How fast are they? Crocodiles and alligators are prolific swimmers. They can swim very fast. They appear to be slow out of water as they lay still for hours in the sun and may only move slowly every once in a while. But don't let this fool you. An attacking gator or croc can move extremely fast over short distances. They can move much faster than a human can run. These animals are very dangerous and are one of the most dangerous animals to humans. How big do they get? Alligators and crocodiles can grow quite large. The largest recorded alligator is 19 feet long, while the largest crocodile is estimated to be close to 28 feet long. What do they eat? Alligators and crocs are carnivores, meaning they eat meat. They will kill and eat pretty much anything they can catch. This includes fish, deer, frogs, birds, and buffalo, just to name a few. Despite all their sharp teeth, they don't chew their food. They use their teeth to tear off chunks and swallow them whole. Life cycle. Females crocodilians lay from 20 to 90 eggs. They lay their eggs in nests made of sand, mud, or rotting plant parts. Baby crocodilians hatch from the eggs. Most female crocodilians watch over their young. Alligator mothers may help the babies break out of the egg. They sometimes carry the newborn alligators in their mouths. They put the babies into the water. Some mothers stay near their young for at least a year. If the young alligator gets in trouble, its mother is there to help. No one is really sure how long alligators and crocodiles live. Scientists estimate that smaller species can live from 30 to 50 years, while larger crocodilian species can live to be 70 or even 80 years old. Sometimes young crocs will ride on their mother's back or even hide from predators in her mouth. Threats to crocodilians. Alligators and crocodiles are threatened by hunting. People hunt them mainly for their eggs and for their skin. Many crocodile species are endangered. The American alligator became an endangered species in 1967. Laws protected it from being hunted. As a result, the species made a comeback. By the late 1970s, people could again hunt the American alligator in some states. Thank you for watching this video. Watch similar videos via hashtags. Hashtags: encyclopedia, animals, reptiles, alligators, crocodiles. Please do visit Kimavi.com. Please write to us and help us improve our videos. You can email us at admin@kimavi.com. Learn about the alligators, gators, crocodiles, crocs, and crocodilians.